Hey guys, so I got my first julep box and I just want to go ahead and open it and show you. Hold on, baby. Let me record it. So it's the letter.
Mommy, look at this.
I got the It Girl nails. So I see it comes with this spiffy little nail file. It's cool. One-step polish remover pad. That's spiffy. And here is my nail polish. Super excited. It's so pretty. Oh. Let's see if I can open it one-handed. Alright, excuse my mess. Alright, let me look. Whee! Okay. Obviously I should have opened this first before doing it on video.
Can't do it in that, Mommy.
Hold on, Sienna. Hi.
But, Mommy,
My kids are saying hi. My breakfast is still on the counter. Alrighty. Oh, so I got 3 polishes. It's really pretty green. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Called Mackenzie.
Mommy!
Oh, that's my daughter's middle name. She'll like that one. It's really pretty purple. Again, not focusing. Called Alice.
I like that.
Nope, not focusing. And glitter called Paris. Very cool. I'm super excited. I'm officially a julep maven, and I look forward to getting some more polish next month.
Mommy, I want these.